So the vantage point is used as a sacred geometric reference point to you remember things look three-dimensional on the physical material plane because of virtuoso level of artistry, because there's so many variables you have to take into consideration. You have to figure out a way to convert this transparency on a three-dimensional surface to a two-dimensional canvas, and you have
I would like to thank Drumebox for giving me the opportunity to clear up a number of misconception, misperception, misapprehension, misconstrue ideas primarily neurotypical individuals have, or their perceptions of atypical individuals. When we say atypical, we refer to individuals who fall outside the spectrum of neurotypicals. That include mental disorder, spectrum disorders, chronic disorders. It includes high-functioning autism, Asperger's syndrome, borderline savants, weirdos, geeks, nerds,